In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the feature that allows you to start a conversation with Microsoft Copilot using your voice. And you can say something like, "Hey, Copilot," or "Hey," and it's going to basically trigger it and start a conversation with you. So to do that, you want to go ahead and click your account in the lower left hand side in Microsoft Copilot. Or if the sidebar is closed, you want to expand it on the upper left and click your account, then go into the settings. Within the settings, you want to scroll down, guys, and there's a section called voice mode. And here you can see, for example, voice, but there's an option that says listen for "Hey Copilot," and it's going to start a conversation. So once you turn this on, it's going to basically allow it to start the conversation. So, for example, I have it like this, and I said, "Hey Copilot." You can see right there, guys, that it starts the conversation, and you can see it start listening and so forth. So let me go ahead and stop it. And so that's it. That's how easy it is, guys, to start a conversation with Copilot by simply saying, "Hey, Copilot," and it's going to basically do that and start a conversation with your voice. And that's it.